How to allow cross-account access to an S3 bucket using IAM roles and policies. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Managing access to your AWS resources across multiple accounts can be crucial to your cloud strategy. One common requirement is allowing cross-account access to an S3 bucket. This podcast will walk you through setting up cross-account access using IAM roles and policies. Step 1. Create an IAM role in the account that owns the S3 bucket. Log into the AWS Management Console in the account that owns the S3 bucket. Navigate to the IAM console. In the navigation pane, click Roles, then Create Role. Select another AWS account. Enter the account ID to which you want to grant access. Click Next Permissions. Step 2. Attach a policy to the IAM role. On the Attach Permissions Policies page, choose Create Policy. Choose the JSON tab and enter the following policy. Version, October 17, 2012. Statement. Effect, Allow. Action, S3. Resource, ARN, AWS 3: your bucket name. ARN, AWS 3: your bucket name / Replace your bucket name with the name of your S3 bucket. Click Review Policy, give it a name, and choose Create Policy. Attach the newly created policy to the role by selecting it from the list. Click Next Tags, then Next Review. Provide a role name and description, then click Create Role. Step 3. Update the bucket policy in the S3 bucket. Navigate to the S3 console in the account that owns the bucket. Select your bucket. Choose the Permissions tab and then Bucket Policy. Add the following policy, replacing your bucket name with your bucket name and account ID with the AWS account ID of the external account. Version, October 17, 2012. Statement. Effect, Allow. Principal, AWS ARN, AWS, IAM: account is, role name. Action, S3. Resource, ARN, AWS 3: your bucket name. ARN, AWS 3: your bucket name / Save the changes. Step 4. Assume the IAM role from the external account. Log into the AWS Management Console in the external account. Navigate to the IAM console. In the navigation pane, choose Roles, then Create Role. Select another AWS account and enter the account ID of the bucket-owning account. Click Next Permissions, and attach the necessary policies to the role. Assume the role by using the AWS CLI or SDKs. Here is an example using the AWS CLI. AWS TS Assume Role. Role ARN AWS IAM: account ID role / role name. Role session name. Conclusion. Following these steps, you can securely allow cross-account access to your S3 bucket using IAM roles and policies. This setup ensures that only authorized accounts can access your resources, enhancing your cloud environment's security and manageability. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.